Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. So today I did this makeup tutorial. I didn't know really where I wanted to go with this palette, but I did an Instagram look yesterday using this palette, and I thought I would switch it up with the colors. And the ones that were just like calling out to me were all these like different shades of greens and golds. So I decided to do this makeup look. I hope you guys like it too. I can't wait to play more with this palette and see what else I come up with. Now I don't know if it is sold out. Last time I checked before filming this video, it was still available. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. And if you guys would like to see what colors I used and how this eyeshadow palette looks on the eyes, please keep watching and we will get right into Alright, so I'm going to start off by prepping my eyelids with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And today I want to use, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 new palettes that I haven't used, so or that I've used but not enough. So I'm just going to press the concealer onto the eye, and I'm not applying too much. It's just like a thin layer, and I press it in and then I set it with a skin tone color. And I just went ahead and did my foundation and eyebrows so that I can do my concealer at the end, just in case I have any eyeshadow fallout. So today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D 10th Anniversary Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what it looks like from what I heard. She like hand drew this. It took her like 6 months or so from what I read. And she wanted it to really look like it was a, you know, an actual drawing on top. It's not like, it's a little bit like rough, I would say. It's really pretty, and yeah, I love her drawings. Seriously, she's a really good drawer, and she's a really good artist. And yeah, I like the gold detail. It's something you don't really see from Kat Von D, but I'm thinking, you know, since it's a, you know, the 10th anniversary palette, she would go all out with, you know, the gold. There's also other products, you know, for the 10th anniversary, but I only got the eyeshadow palette. Maybe if things are still available, I'll get something else, but I don't know. I really didn't see anything else that I would want. And these are the colors. Now, the color names are on the back. I'm thinking of using the blues and the greens right here. And maybe this one like on the center of the lid. I don't know, we'll see right now. So this is like it looks a lot lighter in the pan, but it's like a yellow, kind of like a light mustard. And this is the color. Or like a light tan almost. So we're just going to put that in the crease. Okay, so I'm going to take that olive green shade in there, which is called Malice. And the one that I used before that is Ashley olive shade Malice, and I'm going to put it more into the crease, like where the socket is. I'm pulling it outwards as well. Now I'm switching to a smaller brush just because I feel like with the other brush it's just going up too high. So I'm taking that color on a small smudge brush, and what I'm going to do is, now I'm just going to press it on to the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to bring it into the outer third of the lid and connect it. I want to make sure that this color is very deep. Okay, so just going to take that same color and just press it on to the inner third of the lid. So now I'm just taking a little bit of concealer, and with this little detail brush that is extremely old, I'm going to just apply it to the center of the lid. Now I'm going to take this really pretty bright green shade, and I have something very similar in the Natasha Denona Tropic palette, and I just noticed that because I'm looking at it right now. So the green is called Adele, and then I'm going to apply this one, which is called Catherine, I believe. So yeah, this one's more like a duochrome type of color. And I'm just going to press it onto the lid. I'm not going to use any Fix Plus. And wow, it is really pigmented. Doesn't really need Fix Plus anyways. So pretty. This is like the perfect green for like the holidays, like for a party or something. Actually, what I'm going to do, instead of laying it on top, I'm going to like put it between the two other shades. See how it looks. Okay. So I'm putting it on the outer part as well as the inner. I thought it was going to be kind of like just a sparkle on top. So like kind of like an eyeshadow topper, but it's actually really pigmented. So it would have just completely covered up the green. So I think it looks really pretty just on the outer edges, the green. So what I'm actually going to do is bring it up here on the top edge. Then there's this like gold color in the palette, so I'm going to layer it on top of that, because I've seen on Instagram where they'll do that to like a halo eye, where they'll apply like a lighter shade at the top. I think it looks really pretty in pictures as well. So now I'm going to take this gold right here, and I'm actually going to use it as an inner corner highlight. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to apply army green shade first, and it's going to go like connected with the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to take that shimmer green eyeshadow and apply it right here. So now, since I am done with the eyes, what I did was I applied these really soft looking Ardell lashes and skin tone shade in my waterline, and I don't know, I think it looks really nice that way. So now I'm going to add some bronzer and then do my lips. So for my bronzer today, I'm going to do the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm actually going to mix it with the Too Faced bronzer a bit deeper, and I just feel like the Physicians Formula one is a little too light, so that's why I mix the two together. And yeah, that's what I usually do. So I'm just going to apply it. And I just love the way that the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzers blend into the skin. So when you mix it with any bronzer, it just looks really pretty. Never looks streaky. This is Blush All Day. It looks like a very light, like nude pink blush. That's why I like to wear this blush and Prism. I think those are the two blushes that I wear the most. And now for my highlight, I'm going to apply the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighting Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Gilded Honey is the shade, and I love this highlighter. It's one of the best highlighters that I own. I was thinking I should go through all my highlighters and do another like decluttering video. Okay, so now I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner in Natural, and this is by NYX. And on top of that, I'm going to apply one of my favorite lipsticks, which is Yash by MAC. And on top of that, I'm going to apply a little bit of this Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. And I'm just going to apply it to like the center of the lips. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you would like to see me do another look with the Kat Von D 10th Anniversary palette, let me know down below and I will do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!